Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would check your oil level and how you would add oil to your vehicle. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry, and so you have your oil dipstick right here. You would pull it out, you clean it off, then reinsert. Want to have your car on a fairly level surface to get better accuracy on your reading. And this is at optimal. It is running perfectly in the middle of the two dots on this dipstick. Sometimes there will be a full, an F and an L for a full and a low. This just has the two dots, so as long as it's in between there and right at the top, that's where you want it to be. You don't want to go any higher than that. You can cause some really good engine damage, especially the catalytic converter if it's too full. So then, right back here is your oil filler cap if you needed to add oil. And you would just unscrew this cap to the counterclockwise and then pour oil in right here and then screw it back on. If you're at the bottom of that dipstick, right at that bottom dot, it's going to typically be just 1 quart is all you would need to add. If you're a lot lower than that, well then you would just start and add and check each quart because you don't want to overfill it. But that's where you add oil and check your oil on your 2.5 Camry motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.